Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In this video I want to show you a quick fix on this Parkside drill machines. In case you have a similar problem like me, that your machine is completely dead. In my case I have a corded one, but this applies actually is only on corded machines. Yeah, the problem itself is that it doesn't work, and this is an easy fix. So you see here we have two big plastic screws. Yeah, this is the first thing before tossing away the unit. Before anything, uh, make sure you check these parts here. So on each side, these are the casings for the brushes. And if you open this up, make sure you have it, you know, disconnected from the mains. Yeah, and you can remove this, and here are the brushes, which are actually interchangeable. Yeah, and make sure these parts are nicely closed here, otherwise they will not make electrical contact and the drill will not work. So let's now connect it back again. And look at this, this works. So I got this unit brand new with this problem directly from out of the box. And initially I wanted to return it back, but then I saw this and just it was loose, and just close it a little bit better, and the drill started working again. So short video, hope this helps a lot of you. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Consider writing to me if you have any questions in the comment section below, and also consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.